Hello! Today, let's learn English with a fun YouTube quiz. First, look at the top right. Please log in to your account. You need to log in to do the quiz. On your computer, look to the right of the description. You see Quizzes here. Click Take Quiz. Now you can see the questions. On your phone, tap More in the description. Scroll down to Quizzes. Then, tap View All. In portrait mode, the quiz is below. Turn your phone to landscape, and the quiz is on the right. One important thing. Please do not use full screen. If you use full screen, the quiz goes away. Now let's look at the questions. If you cannot hear it clearly, don't worry. See the blue time? Click it. You can listen again. After you listen, let's choose an answer together. Look! The box is green. You are right. Great job. Now what if you choose the wrong answer? Look! The box is red. Then, the quiz shows the green box for the right answer. It also gives you an explanation right here. For example, the teacher asks for a doctor's note. After you finish, you can practice again. Check the description to reset the quiz. Try the quiz now. Have fun learning English.